In number 5, we're starting with a natural log of the square root of the quantity x to the fourth times y, and that is equivalent to the natural log of x to the fourth times y raised to the 1/2 power, because the square root is equivalent to 1/2 as the exponent. Then we can use the power property to pull that exponent to the front as a coefficient, and we'll have 1/2 times the natural log, and then the product property will break apart this product of x to the fourth and y. So 1/2 natural log of x to the fourth plus 1/2 natural log of y. Then we can use the power property again to pull the exponent of 4 to the front as a coefficient, and then we'll multiply 4 times 1/2 is 2 natural log of x plus 1/2 natural log of y, and that would be our expanded simplified form. And in number 6, we have the log base 4 of the quantity 2x to the fourth over y, and that's going to require the power property, the product property, and the quotient property. So if we pull this exponent of 4 to the front, we'll have a 4 log base 4 of the 2 and a 4 log base 4 of x, and that would take care of the numerator. Then the denominator will require a subtraction and log base 4 of y. Okay, then we can evaluate the log base 4 of 2, which is 1/2. So we'll have 4 times 1/2, which is 2, plus 4 log base 4 of x minus the log base 4 of y, and that would be our expanded and simplified form. And number 7, we've got a common log of 100 divided by the quantity square root of x times y to the fourth. So we'll need a quotient property, a product property, and we'll use the power property twice in this problem. So we're going to take the log of the numerator, 100, minus the log of each of these pieces of the product in the denominator. So minus x to the 1/2 for the square root of x, and then a minus log of y to the fourth for the y to the fourth in the denominator. And then we can use the power property to pull those exponents forward as coefficients and evaluate the common log of 100, which is 2, and that's minus 1/2 common log of x minus 4 common log of y, and that would be our expanded simplified form. Then in number 8, we can use the power property to pull that exponent from the argument to become the coefficient on the log. So that's 2 common log of the quantity x minus 1 divided by the quantity x plus 1. And that's a quotient, so we can use the quotient property, and we'll have 2 common log of the quantity x minus 1 minus 2 common log of the quantity x plus 1. And this would be our completely expanded and simplified form. Okay, don't be tempted by this x minus 1 in parentheses and this x plus 1 in parentheses. We don't have a sum property for expanding and condensing logs, only a product property. So this won't expand any further.